Good morning, guys. Sorry about the wind. It's really hard to stop here. We got our sickle here, and the dogs and I are gonna go harvest some corn stalks. Pigs love them, and they're good for them. So they're actually better than the corn themselves. So we're gonna go get some free food for the pigs, because I didn't plan it. But my brother-in-law did, and here on our homestead, we kind of have a family stead. We are growing pigs and chickens and stuff together. So, like if I go out of town, they'll watch them. We go in on the feed and the fencing and all of that stuff together. And shoot. So I got my sickle. I got my gorilla cart. I do need a tripod. Ooh, look at these pretty feathers. That came off one of our turkeys that are right there. This one right here is a big old Tom, and then we got the other one over there. You can see he's bigger than the other one. Well, they're about the same size actually. One's very much more dominant. So my brother-in-law is out there and he's fertilizing the ground, because he's gonna plant some more in it. But these are pretty young stalks, so I think that will be enough to have that lopper. But unfortunately his corn died off enough to not be able to come back, so he's not worried about me taking corn stalks. So we're gonna go ahead and take those corn stalks, and we're also gonna harvest some passion flower leaves for some more tea. So if you guys saw that video yesterday, I made some passion flower tea and I really like it. It's tasty, and it's also there's some more of it. Whole little kind of patches of it. And so this is how I take off the leaves. It's so simple and easy. These ones aren't as green as those other ones over there. Okay. It's a good little walk over here. That we need to get rid of. This stuff will take over your property. Let's see if I can kind of bend it, break it. And it's pokey. It's because it is a deer plot. Ugh. There's some beautiful mullein that we'll be harvesting some of that too. Okay. So that's about enough for a week. I'll just give them like 6 stalks a day or something like that, and come out here every few days or every once a week and collect some more. Man, that sickle works good. Really like that. So we'll get these dogs back. Come on, Norman, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. So that's all we need is just to, I'll stack these up by the pig pen, and yeah, there's a few ears on there, but they're planted so far apart that they're not going to have that many ears. And the pigs can eat that too. So anyways, let's go see how much the pigs like them. Before we see the pigs like them, this is a food plot for deer. So this is serving 2 purposes. We didn't just grow corn for no reason. And it has a second purpose. If we could not get feed for our pigs, this is a good backup. So corn, and there's a few other crops. I'll see if I can get a list of them for you guys. I can't promise anything for sure. I know that there is other crops that you could just kind of plant randomly in your field if you have that ability, and have backup food for your pigs. So if there was a time of crisis where you couldn't get food, forage for food. There's plenty of wild food and this kind of stuff that you can do that is really good for your pigs. Now let's get over to those pigs and see how much they like this. Okay. So there you guys go. You think they like it? Look at that piece of corn on there. Gotta save that for the family. Oh well. They are enjoying that. Been spending some time in their wallow. It's a warm day. It's 80 degrees today, which isn't too bad. For Tennessee this time of year, it's actually pretty comfortable. So they absolutely love this food. And I've been giving it to them. My corn didn't turn out well because I planted them too close together, because I'm new at planting corn. And so they had that, and so I knew that they loved corn. But before I gave it to them, I did some research. And it can be an alternative food for them, along with making sure that you get the other herbs and things that they need. One of the things that corn has in it is lecithin, and they really benefit from that. That's something that they have to have in their diet. It is in their pig food, but not as much as that they need on a daily rate. So this really helps. So anyways, there we go. They'll get about that every day for the next little while, and we're just adding it to their food that they're already getting. So, which they get organic food, and this is organically grown corn. So there you go. So now they have this whole gorilla cart full, which I'm just going to put over here. It can sit right there. And I give them a little bit every day. Here we go. And it's another feed source other than the food we get from Kofi, Kentucky Organic Farm and Feed Incorporated. So there we go. So thank you for coming out for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something. God bless, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.